Hey home cooks! Today I'm sharing a timeless classic American goulash. This one-pot wonder is hearty, comforting, and super simple to whip up with ingredients you likely have on hand. Alright, let's get started. First, grab a large skillet or pot and brown 1 pound of ground beef over medium heat. If you need to, drain any excess fat. Next, toss in 1 chopped medium onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, and a chopped bell pepper if you're feeling it. Cook that for about 5 minutes until everything's softened and smelling amazing. Now it's time to add those rich tomato flavors. Stir in a can of diced tomatoes, a can of tomato sauce, and a small can of tomato paste. Don't forget a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, dried oregano, dried basil, and season with salt and pepper to taste. Mix it all together like a pro. Pour in 2 cups of beef broth or water, bring it to a simmer, and let it cook for about 10 minutes, giving it a stir now and then. Here's where it gets really fun. Add 2 cups of elbow macaroni straight into the pot. Stir to combine, cover, and let it simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes. You want the pasta tender and soaking up all those delicious flavors. Remember to stir occasionally so nothing sticks. Feeling cheesy? Stir in a cup of shredded cheddar for that creamy finish. It's optional, but oh so good. And there you have it, your old-fashioned American goulash. Serve it up hot, maybe with some extra cheese on top if you're feeling indulgent. Remember, you can switch things up with different meats, extra veggies, or a spicy kick if that's your style. Enjoy this rich, comforting dish that's sure to become a household favorite. Happy cooking, everyone!